Now look at oil, please. The collapse in oil prices, you got to say it, it's wreaking havoc on Russia's economy. Bring in Chris Faulkner. He's the CEO of the oil drilling company Breitling Energy. Chris, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Stuart.
Let's backtrack a little bit
Okay.
here. Overnight, you and I were both watching what was going on over there.
Yeah, the ruble, now the 17% interest rate.
Well, yeah, they went from 10.5% interest to 17%.
In one move.
In one move, just like
madness,
that.
yeah.
The ruble went down to 79 to the dollar.
That's correct.
A couple of months ago, it was at 35 to the dollar.
It went down 10% last week alone.
Just in one. You did this.
Okay,
you guys, drilling here in America, you pumped up the world's supply and you brought Putin down. Take your victory lap.
Okay. Be careful what you wish for. The lap may be short-lived. I mean, frackers may have been involved in bringing supply into the United States at a record level. Yeah. OPEC, I think, started the collapse on Thanksgiving Day when they decided not to cut production and really protect their market share. So we find ourselves in a new era of oil, if you will. And who is the person that's going to have to enjoy McDonald's, speaking about the last package, it's Vladimir Putin. He's got trouble over there now that he can't dig himself out of because oil is his biggest asset.
Now,
natural gas.
But what happens to you guys who are drilling wells in the United States if oil drops to $50 a barrel? You don't drill so much.
That was to be careful what you wish for, because at $50, we think that half of these basins, if you will, or areas of the United States becomes uneconomical, meaning there's going to be a shift where if you're in a Bakken, for example, and you can't make money, maybe you move into the Permian Basin, you start drilling your acreage there where things are cheaper. So it's going to be a puzzle reshift, but at some point the smaller guys may have be so concentrated they can't shift, and they're going to have to stop drilling.
Right. The price of oil at the moment is $55 a barrel.
Yes.
At that price, are we losing jobs in the energy sector in the United States? Are we losing production in the United States?
We're going to
right now.
We're going to be losing jobs next year for sure. I've already seen lots of companies announcing layoffs. Less drilling is taking place. If the number continues at 50, we're going to see more of that. So that's the be careful what you wish for syndrome. We may have also cut off our own nose to spite our face.
So the downside is prices at this level, staying at this level, we don't produce so much.
There's a downside for sure. It's going to impact us. I think how big is going to be how low it goes. And I don't think anyone out there can predict, even on your show, how low it's going to go.
No, they've tried. Actually, we've had people who say at 60 they say it's 50. At 70 they say it's 60. They got it right.
Right.
Are you saying at 55, is it go to 40?
I don't think it's going to 40, but I think we could get near 50. And I think it's going to rebound there if it doesn't. I still think, look, the supply comes off very rapidly. These wells decline. These wells will fix themselves in very short order. And as you know, low oil prices, their best cure, low oil prices.
All right, touch 50, he says. All right, Chris Faulkner, thanks for joining us. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Stuart.